Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this September 26, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Thursday out there so far. Everybody has a great Thursday evening. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about Tropical Storm Helene. Major Hurricane Helene, that is, excuse me. Approaching the Florida Big Bend. Should be in the next hour or two. Should be making landfall in Florida. Also, we're going to take a look at some information on that, the forecast cone, the computer models, and also the intensity guidance. Also, we're going to take a look at Tropical Storm Isaac, which is in the north central tropical Atlantic, and also another system looks to become Tropical Storm Joyce as well soon too. Also, we're going to take a look at the current watch and warning advisory map. Also, we're going to take a look at the Tampa we're going to take a look at the radar view. I think it's near Tampa, Florida. We'll take a look at that. And also we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for severe weather on your Friday. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos. And let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, as you can see here, we got this major hurricane Helene approaching the Florida coastal areas, the Big Bend area of Florida. Should be approaching that area very shortly in the next hour or two. Let's take a look at the forecast. This was at 5 p.m. They have not updated it, but the latest information showed that this system is over 130 miles per hour winds, Category 4 hurricane, and make a beeline for the Tallahassee, Florida region. This was located. The big yellow area here, this is the Tropical Storm 4 wind field. The hurricane winds are right here in the orange, yellow looking color. We have tropical storm warnings stretching from the North and South Carolina line to the Florida Keys, to a portion of western areas of Florida, also a portion of Florida Panhandle, and then we have hurricane warnings from the Florida Panhandle to a portion of western Florida as well. Alright, this was at 5 p.m. If you're tracking the system at home, we're located in latitude 27.9 north, longitude 84.6 west. At that time, it was maximum sustained winds of 125 miles an hour, but right now it's currently 130, and movement is to the north-northeast of 23 miles an hour. Classified as a major hurricane with winds greater than 110 miles per hour. Alright, here's the current position of the storm. Currently right here, makes it right into the Florida Big Bend. Moves through western Georgia, moves up into the Tennessee, Ohio River Valley, then eventually off to the east later on down the road. Alright, here's the intensity guidance of the system. Has about 110 knot winds, equal up to 130 miles per hour. All the way, it drops it all the way down into a tropical, some keeps it a tropical storm. Also, some keys is tropical depression, but it's going to take a while to drop off since it's a Category 4 hurricane at this time. Alright. Okay. Let's take a look at the tropics now. Okay, here's the tropical weather page. As you can see, here's Helene approaching the Big Bend area of Florida. Here's Tropical Storm Isaac over the northern central tropical Atlantic. And there, that tropical wave has a 90% chance of development. This should become Joyce. Should be Tropical Depression 11 and then Joyce. And you can see it in the next 7 days. We'll have to watch the Caribbean Sea again for possible another developing storm. Right now they have it at about 20%, I think. Yep, 20% in the next 7 days over portions of the Caribbean Sea. Alright, let's take a look at the current watch and warning advisory map. You're located across the nation. Okay, here's the big action down here in the southeast. Tropical storm warnings from the western North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, even hurricane warnings there as well. Straight into Florida, tropical storm warnings in Florida region as well. Tropical storm warnings also in the coastal waters of the East Coast of Florida, Florida Keys, and that little Burgundy area, and there's the Big Bend area of Florida. That is hurricane warnings. We have a lot of wind advisories also in effect for portions of North Carolina, Virginia, over toward Tennessee, Alabama, Kentucky, Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, portion of Missouri, and also in the portion of Arkansas. Flood watches are also in effect for northern portion of Mississippi, southern and southwestern Tennessee, and eastern areas of Arkansas. Also, we have flood watches also in effect for this area too, with the tropical storm force winds. You cannot see that, and also we have tornado watches there as well in under the tropical storm warning area as well. Alright, we got wind advisory from portion of North Dakota, Minnesota, red flag warnings for you guys up here in Montana, also Wyoming, also in South Dakota. Yeah, we have excessive heat warning for Southern California, Southern Nevada, and portion of Arizona. Small craft advisory from Maine all the way down to the Outer Banks. Same again from portions Mississippi to southeast Texas. Then again from Northern California to Oregon State. Hawaiian Chain Island looks good. Also got some small craft advisory around the area of Alaska. Alright, here is the National Weather Service radar out of Tampa, Florida. Here's that big eye you can see in the frame. You got to get a good swirl around it. Bringing in some precipitation. You can see a tornado warning over a portion of just east of Sarasota, between Sarasota and Sebring area. Tornado warnings there. A lot of these here rain bands will have heavy downpour, gusty winds, and tornadoes as they continue to pivot on shore. Alright, let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is for your Friday. You can see we have a marginal risk for the Charleston area, Columbia, up to a Roanoke, and also Richmond. And then south of there from Virginia Beach all the way to Raleigh to Charlotte to just northeast of Columbia to almost Charleston. We have a slight risk, and then enhanced risk around the Wilmington area and the Myrtle Beach area as well for severe weather. Let's take a look at tornado probability. We have a 10% around the Richmond, Charleston area, Charleston, West Virginia area, down toward Columbia and Charleston, South Carolina. Northeast of Columbia, you have a 5% up toward the Charlotte area to Raleigh, and then a 10% around the Wilmington area, down toward the Myrtle Beach and Grand Strand area. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos, and we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful Thursday evening, folks. Take care and stay safe during the storm.